Hi, I'm Tim, and tonight I want to repair my Neve compressor. It's a Portico 5043. It's a nice sounding VCA compressor with Rupert's transformers, but recently it has some problems. It has dropouts and spikes on the VU, so I'm gonna take a look inside and see if I can fix it. So let's go.
So let's check first that it isn't the external power supply. So I hook it up to my bench PSU. And to find ground, I put my fluke here to continuity. So let's check where ground is. Okay, on this pin we have ground, so let's put it there. And here the plus 12. And turn it on. So let's see if the problem is still there. Okay. So you can hear the relays clicking, and without the bus inputs on, you just see the flickering and the spikes on the VUs. It can only be this DC to DC converter. But before I order this expensive part, I just try to resolder it. It's getting hot, and after a while maybe the joint just expands and we have this kind of problem. So let's resolder it. This part is a nice solution to decouple the Portico units from common ground in a console, though it makes only sense with transformer-based units. But it has some advantages. You can use normal switch power supplies in every part of the world to deliver the plus minus 17 volts to the circuit. So I resoldered this and put the unit back on to see if the problem is still there. And to be sure, I let the unit on for about 8 hours. And the problem disappears. So I saved a lot of money because I don't have to order this expensive DC converter. It was just a bad solder joint over the years, and with increasing heat, the problem appears. So let's put the thing back together and speed this process up that it doesn't get too boring for everybody, or with lousy autofocus settings, like always. And let's screw it back in my rack and see if it still works. And I think, yeah, we can go on rocking.
So this time we were lucky. This was an easy fix. See you next time.